Hi, I'm Jason Flower, and I joined Huffman Kelly Brockman Gottschalk back in 2012. And my areas of practice are criminal law, both felony and misdemeanor, real estate law, family law, workers' compensation, and personal injury law. Today, I'm going to be talking about custody actions between non-married parents. And one of the first things that anyone needs to do in an action between two non-married individuals when a child is involved is establish paternity. There are two ways to establish paternity between non-married parents. The first way is to file a complaint in the local juvenile court requesting genetic testing, and the second way is to go through the local child support enforcement agency and request an administrative determination involving the genetic testing to determine the biological parents of the child. With child support enforcement agency actions, they will determine the paternity and broach the subject of visitation between the parents so long as both of the parties agree on a visitation schedule. If one of the parties does not agree on the visitation schedule, then the Child Support Enforcement Agency court does not have the authority to establish a visitation schedule. The most likely resolution of a complaint in the local juvenile court is to establish what is called local rule visitation. Currently here in Allen County, Ohio, that is known as Local Rule 6 visitation. There are a couple basic parameters of local rule visitation, including every other weekend, split holidays between the parents, which normally rotate each year, and extended parenting time during the summer for summer vacation. The most common misconception as it relates to actions for visitation and paternity are that if an individual is paying their child support, they somehow automatically have a right to visitation with their children. Unfortunately, that's not necessarily true. The two are completely separate and distinct. The obligation to pay child support and the right to visitation with one's child are separate and distinct issues. In closing, if you have any questions as it relates to paternity or visitation rights with children, please feel free to contact us online at 540westmarket.com. Thank you.